Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's hard reset Samsung A21s. Forget PIN, password, power and volume down. Keep holding. Plug in USB from laptop, not from charger. When you see the logo, see it's off now. Now press volume up and power key together. When you see logo, release the power key. Keep holding, volume up. Okay. This is Samsung A21s. So we bring here wipe data factory reset from volume down. Yeah. You guys can see. Now select with power key once. Bring here factory data reset from volume down button. Now we just press once, power key. Just wiping. Just wipe all your passwords. Now what we have to do, just reboot the phone from power key. Click once, power key, click on. So rebooting. Charge your phone before you reset. Please subscribe my channel, support my channel, guys, for more videos, for more phones I'm going to upload. Please like my video if it is helpful. Subscribe the channel. Don't press any key, just wait. It's going to switch it on. It's rebooting now. Samsung A21s. Samsung a lot of phone has same format. Almost done. About 5-minute video. I'm gonna pause video. Don't press any key, be patient, it's going to start. Samsung A21s. Starting Android. Your password is removed. Connect Wi-Fi, go next, skip. use your Google account. If you don't have Google account, that is other video for. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video with other phone. Bye. 5:30 this video.